Hey everyone, I'm providing a thorough review of the Roborock F25 Ace Combo today, an upright vacuum cleaner with multiple uses that combines dry and wet cleaning capabilities. With a number of features designed to make floor maintenance simpler and more efficient, Roborock's latest model has hit the market. Let's test what makes this vacuum cleaner unique, how well it works in actual testing, and if it's a good investment for your house. Let's start with the wet cleaning module, which enables accurate edge cleaning by using a single roller that reaches to the very edge of the vacuum body on both sides. There is a 100 milliliter detergent container that automatically mixes with clean water while the unit is operating, and the top section serves as a 740 milliliter clean water tank. Up to 720 cubic centimeters of used water can be stored in the filthy water tank, which is located directly above the roller. A HEPA filter and mesh components that offer multi-stage filtration and guarantee that the water level is electronically monitored are located inside. 3 buttons on the handle, power, mode selection, and self-cleaning start, are used to operate the vacuum. The digital display offers unambiguous feedback, and the modes include auto, max, suction only, and eco. The ability to detach and reconnect the main module, which includes the battery, between the washing and dry vacuuming units is one notable feature. The dry vacuum module uses a multi-layered filtering system that includes mesh, a cyclone system, and a foam filter. It also has its own controls. One flaw with the design, though, is that the dust container cannot be removed, making it impossible to rinse or dry separately. The vacuum has multiple useful nozzles for dry cleaning. The main floor nozzle features a swivel joint, revolutionary roller design that combines rubber fins and soft bristles for varied cleaning, and bright green LED lights for visibility. Additionally, it features combs to untangle hairs. A small turbo brush with a silicone construction that prevents hair wrap makes cleaning upholstery and mattresses easier. Another feature that stands out is the charging and self-cleaning base. In addition to recharging the vacuum, the base uses hot water up to 90 degrees Celsius to flush the roller and dry it in 5 minutes. For more delicate cleaning, a soft drying option is also available. After every usage, the self-cleaning technology completely cleans the roller using a metal scraper and high heat, guaranteeing hygienic conditions and minimal maintenance. Additionally, the Roborock F25 Ace Combo is smart control compatible with the Roborock app, which lets users adjust suction power, roller speed, wheel speed, detergent dose, self-cleaning mode, drying temperature and speed, and voice feedback. The program assists with timely filter and part replacements by displaying consumable status. Although it's more of a novelty than a need, the vacuum can even be operated with a remote control when it's flat, which makes it enjoyable to use. The performance of the dry cleaning was equally outstanding. So the Roborock F25 Ace Combo is a smartly built, multi-purpose upright vacuum that performs exceptionally well in both wet and dry cleaning. Although the vacuum's non-removable dry dust container is a small drawback, its functionality, adaptability, and user-friendliness make it one of the greatest 2-in-1 cleaning solutions on the market right now for its price range. This Roborock model is definitely worth taking into consideration if you're searching for a single appliance that can vacuum, mop, clean itself, and even send out a status update through an app. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day, and God bless you.